What are the benefits of a short sale? When I discuss benefits of almost anything, any process you're going to make, I recommend making a list. Your pros, your cons, your do's, your don'ts, your advantages, your disadvantages. I'm Donna Bishop, Sandcastle Realty, A&B Mortgage Brokers of Florida. And as a former owner and broker of A&B Mortgage Brokers of Florida, I did a lot of loans for people, so I do know the process. I know how banks work. I know how the underwriters work. So I'm here to give you some thoughts on short sales versus foreclosures. Someone asked me, can I get a Fannie Mae loan in the future? Well, on the short sale column, you can get it within 2 years. On the foreclosure column, it's going to take 5 to 7 years. Well, can I get a loan with any other mortgage company? Again, as a mortgage broker, I could tell you that the first thing you did was fill out a mortgage application. And on that application, it asked you, have you ever been in a foreclosure? On the short sale side, you can say, no, you weren't in a foreclosure. Foreclosure side, yes, you were in a foreclosure, and the underwriters are going to look at that really hard and for a long period of time, 7 to 10 years. Now, what about the credit? People ask me. Well, on the short sale side, what you're going to see is you're going to have late payments. Your mortgage has been late so much time, but that'll maybe just drop at 50 points. But on the foreclosure side, you definitely have a foreclosure, which is really not a good thing on your credit, and it's going to drop at 350, 400 points, and it's going to take a long time to get back. A lot of people rebuilding their credit, it takes them 3 years. And a bank's going to look back 7 to 10 years. Now you ask me, will I owe for the difference, the deficiency in what the property sells for and what I owe the bank? Well, that deficiency can come as a deficiency judgment, but I will tell you most of the time that does not happen. The only time I've seen it happen is when the bank question your validity and what you're telling them. So you've got to be very truthful and not hold back anything. Remember the points on a short sale. So when it comes to deficiency judgments, it's always possible, but my best guess to you is it will not happen if you're honest and straightforward. But let's say it does happen. If it does happen, you will look at a promissory note with no interest and probably very small payments. I saw one that owed $120,000 deficiency, and they had to pay $25,000 in a promissory note. But I think that happened only because they weren't totally truthful and they were holding back, and banks know that. Banks know when you came in and took out that mortgage and you filled out that form, what happened from that time to this time, and they're going to look at everything about that. So if you have any questions and after you itemize your statement, give me a call. I'll be glad to help you. Donna Bishop, Sandcastle Realty. Call me at 239-560-3149. Thank you, and I hope to hear from you soon.